Having the right certifications and staying compliant is essential for your business. Fergus Certificates is a secure electronic management tool that enables business owners to easily create, store, manage, and send compliance and safety certificates online. In this video, we'll be covering how to add certificates to jobs and complete them on the go via the Fergus Go app. Let's start with how to add certificates to a job. First, navigate to the job card where you want to attach a certificate. You can add a certificate to a job in two ways, via the Add button and tapping Certificate, or by scrolling down to the Certificates section in the Tools menu. Let's add a certificate via the Add button on the job card page. From here, you'll be able to select the certificate type you want to add. You'll then be taken directly to the certificate, ready to fill in its details. Certificates can comprise of smart elements which allow you to pull details from the job onto the certificate, saving you time. Examples of these elements include customer details, employee details, and pulling in time entries from the job into the certificate description fields. If system tags are used, job information may already be pre-populated into some of the fields. Continue through the certificate, filling out all required details. Some fields may be controlled by progressive disclosure. This means only if the question is required will it show in the form. In this example, the text field only displays if I've answered high risk. This means you're only shown the fields that require completion and shortens the overall length of the form. You can save the certificate as a draft in the bottom left of the screen if you're not ready to complete it, meaning you can come back later to finish it off. We recommend saving the certificate occasionally as you fill it out to make sure changes are recorded. Once you have filled in all the required fields, make sure to sign the certificate by tapping on the Sign Certificate button. Draw your signature and then tap Done in the top right corner to save it. For some certificates, we will remember your signature for future use, and this can be updated in the Fergus Go settings. To preview the PDF form, tap the ellipses symbol in the top right corner and select Preview PDF. Once you have finished filling out the certificate, tap the Complete button in the bottom right of the screen. Remember, once a certificate has been completed, it can no longer be edited. Once a certificate has been completed, it will display in the list amongst other draft and completed certificates for this job. A PDF will be generated and added to the Job Phases Files section. You can also send your customer a copy of the certificate by tapping the Send to Customer option. And that's it! You're all set to add and complete certificates in the Fergus Go app.